Now we're going to take a look at the integration between RAM structural system and RAM elements. First, let's take a look at the 3D view of the model that we're going to import into RAM elements. Now let's take a look at the model status. The RAM steel beam and RAM steel column modules should have a green light. When this occurs, that means the RAM gravity analysis is complete. All your beams and columns will have a section size that can be imported into RAM elements. If you wish to have your lateral loads imported also, the RAM frame analysis needs to be complete as well. A few notes about importing. RAM structural system has gravity and lateral members. In RAM elements, there isn't the opportunity to separate members this way. However, you can import either the full model or just the lateral members. When importing, member sizes, materials, and fixities all come over, as well as your rigid floor diaphragms and walls. The gravity loads, whether they be point, line, or surface loads, are also imported from structural system. Your lateral loads from RAM frame are also imported. In RAM elements, go to Import, RAM Structural System, Full Model, and select the RSS file that is to be imported. Now create a rendered view of the model to show which members might need sections assigned to them or elements that were not imported. Here's a summary of what's not imported. For example, two-way slabs, nodal loads, or sloped rigid diaphragms. Some other limitations and differences are explained here, including that live load reduction is not done automatically as it is in RAM structural system. Crack section factors and K factors do not get imported from structural system into RAM elements. After a few items have been resolved, here's the rendered view of the model in RAM elements. In conclusion, build your model in structural system, import it to RAM elements, and revise and verify as necessary. Then complete your analysis and design in RAM elements.